So why our human DNA is in vaccines? Because viruses need a host. Okay? Y'all want to know why the king of vaccines himself have admitted that yes, aborted V cells could be in the vaccines because viruses need a host. Okay, viruses cannot exist without a host. They cannot. And how viruses are caught is because they're in droplets of fluid. And you can angry face all you want, but viruses are in droplets of fluid in cells that are transported through the air. So they're airborne, or they're transported or incommunicable through bodily fluids, through spit, through sex, through, maybe foods if someone ate from your food. But yes, viruses need a host. They cannot exist without a host. Guess who's a host? You're a host. Every single one of you is a walking virus. You have so many viruses within you, and the only way a virus can live if it's with a host. Okay? And so what are the different hosts? Fungus are hosts. Parasites are hosts. Cells, proteins are hosts. What else? Viruses, parasites, protozoa, proteins, fungus, and bacteria. All of those are hosts. And viruses can only survive when it's in a host. So that's why there is human DNA in your vaccines, because for you to get an exposure to a virus without, in a controlled environment, in a controlled circumstance, without putting somebody in a measles party, which people have done, and some kids have had issues that they have no return on because they didn't have the body or the body, mind, and spirit to be able to handle that viral upload. And so instead of putting a kid in a measles party, they inject you with the microbiome in a controlled circumstance. So yes, I did block that girl, Audrey, whatever her name is, because she's under the impression that aborted DNA fetus cells are bad. Hey, people get abortions all the time. You can't control that. If you want to be able to survive in an environment such as this, it's so aggressive. Sorry, I'm gonna tag him in this. If you want to, what the heck? All right. If you want to be able to survive in an environment that is so aggressive with 7 billion people, you have to be exposed to the virus in a controlled way, especially if you have predispositions. Some of you cannot afford to be exposed to a virus without a controlled circumstance. And a vaccine is a controlled circumstance. Yes, there's going to be human DNA in there. But what other choice do you have? You try to handle the virus in your environment. Okay? Or you get something that's going to give you a little bit of a control over your exposure. So you guys, I'm done with people talking about how horrible Bill Gates is. He's very freaking strategic. He's a very smart man. He's a fucking genius. And you don't realize this. And you guys are going to find out come this environment when no one pretends that this virus is nothing. Come May 1st, when they say it's all political, they're going to see how well they fare. They're going to see how strong their immune system really isn't. All right, bye.